Hello friends, now we are going to start our syllabus of software engineering. So, and in the very first unit, the very first point is introduction to system analysis. I, Dr. V.B. Wagmare, presently working as assistant professor and head Department of Computer Science, Vivekanand College, Autonomous, Kolhapur. I will start the introduction to system analysis. So, here in this presentation, we will cover the points like introduction, definition of a system, elements and characteristics of a system, and types of a system. So, at the outset, I would like to introduce the introduction to system analysis. So, for to develop any software, we will have to do certain system analysis first, and then we will move towards the software development process. So, as in the introduction of system analysis, the orderly grouping of interdependent components are the system analysis, and the linked together according to a plan. Whatever the components that there they are linked together according to a plan, and they achieve a specific objective. Whatever the system we are going to develop will definitely have a specific objective to achieve. The systems are like computer systems, business systems, hotel management systems, banking systems, railway systems, college, university systems, etc. So these are some of the existing systems are there. So suppose we will consider a computer system. In the computer system, there are many components we will find, like floppy drive, system fan, power supply, motherboard, processors, RAM modules, optical drives, and etc. And together with all the components, one CPU is formed. So this all types of components will make a computer system. So each and every system is having its components, and together that components the system will get formed, and every system will have its own, we can say, its own objective. So for every system there are some objectives, and for that to achieve that objectives, the system will get formed. So, how we can define a system? A system means an organized relationship among functioning units or components. An organized relationship means अगर हमें कुछ सिस्टम बनाना है तो we will have to form an organized relationship among किसमें, तो functioning units और components में. फंक्शनिंग यूनिट्स और जो कंपोनेंट्स है उसमें एक रिलेशनशिप वी विल हैव टू फॉर्म. वो भी कैसा, तो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रिलेशनशिप. अ सिस्टम एग्जिस्ट बिकॉज इट इज डिजाइन टू अचीव वन और मोर ऑब्जेक्टिव. एक नहीं तो उससे कई ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्टिव उसमें है, इसलिए वो सिस्टम वहाँ पर फॉर्म की गई है. So let's start with the characteristics of the system. So there are some characteristics of the system are like organization, the organization of the components. We can say organization implies the structure and order. Means whatever the components we have, how we can arrange that components as per the structure and as per the order, and it is the arrangement of components that helps to achieve the objectives. Now the second characteristics is the interaction. The interaction refers to the manner in which each component functions with other components. एक components दूसरे components के साथ किस तरह interact करता है, that is in the interaction. And next characteristics is the interdependence. Interdependence means that part of the organization or computer system depend on another. एक कंपोनेंट जो है कंप्यूटर सिस्टम का वो दूसरे कंपोनेंट पर डिपेंड है. अगर हम देखेंगे तो रैम इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन प्रोसेसर, प्रोसेसर इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन microcontroller. So everyone is dependent on everyone, so that is interdependence is again the characteristics of the system. And the next characteristics is the integration. Integration refers to the holism of system. Synthesis follows analysis to achieve the central objective of the organization. Means whatever the content we have, we can integrate that content with the system. This is the integration process. And the last characteristics is the central objective. The objectives may be real or stated. Whatever the objectives we have, it might be a real or stated, although a stated objectives may be the real objectives. It is not uncommon for an organization to state and one objective and operate to achieve another. So इस तरह हम सब characteristics को define कर सकते हैं. So next point is the element of a system. So there are certain elements of the systems are available, like output and input, to produce an output that has a value to its user. अगर हम कंप्यूटर सिस्टम का एग्जांपल देखेंगे तो देर आर सम सर्टेन इनपुट्स वी हैव एंड विल गेट सम आउटपुट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट इनपुट सिस्टम्स. Second one is the processor or processors. It involves the actual transformation of input into output. जो actual transformation होने वाला है input का output में जो हम जाने वाले हैं उसको जो process करने वाला है, that is the processor. This is again a second element of a system. Third one is control. इस system को control भी करना है. The control element guides the system. It is the decision making subsystem that controls the pattern of activities governing input, processing and output. Again the fourth element is a feedback. Control is a dynamic system, is achieved by feedback. हमें अगर कुछ सिस्टम हमने अगर बनाया है तो उसका पहले फीडबैक हमें लेना है. So after taking the feedback of that system, we will definitely do the certain changes and we will come with the new better system. And fifth one is the environment. The environment is the supra system which within which an organization operates. एक environment होगा उसमें वो system operate होगा, उसको हम supra system कहते हैं. And last one is 6, boundaries and interfaces. So there are some certain boundaries and some interfaces are there. A system should be defined by its boundaries, the limits that identify its components, processes and interrelationship when it interfaces with another system. अगर हम computer system का example देखेंगे तो in computer system a system is at one place, and if suppose we will have to connect some other systems, उसकी हम अगर एक वहाँ पर उसकी एक बाउंड्री है, उसके बाहर वो नहीं जा रहा है. अगर हमें उसके वो बाउंड्री के बाहर ले जाना है तो we will have to do some we will have to connect with the internet to computer system so that the boundaries will be get passed. And the next point is the types of the systems. There are some 3 types of the systems, that is physical or abstract system. फिजिकल सिस्टम जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, जिसे हम महसूस कर सकते हैं, वो फिजिकल सिस्टम होगा. फिजिकल सिस्टम्स आर टेंजिबल एंटिटीज दैट मे बी स्टैटिक और डायनामिक इन ऑपरेशन. वो स्टैटिक होगा और डायनामिक ऑपरेशन उसमें परफॉर्म होगा. Second one is open or closed system. An open system has many interfaces with its environment and a closed system is isolated from environmental influences. उसमें 2 टाइप होंगे, एक ओपन होगा और क्लोज होगा. एंड लास्ट वन इज मैन मेड इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम. मैन मेड इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम हम अभी देख सकते हैं कि एटीएम मशीन है, बैंकिंग सिस्टम है. एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम इज द बेसिस ऑफ इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द यूजर एंड एनालिस्ट. So this is a man-made information system. So this is all about the introduction to system analysis. So thank you. Stay home, stay safe and save lives. Thank you all.